Campbell Farm, and my name is Stefan.
And my name's Taylor. So today we're going to do a children's craft for all ages. But first, we have to collect our rocks. So we're going to walk down here, and then we're going to find all these stones, and then we'll meet you back up here. Hi, welcome back.
We got the rock.
We got our rocks.
We're gonna paint.
Okay, so while he starts, I'm going to show you some of the ideals that I have. So I have a few stencils. Some of them are old holiday stencils, but that's okay. Be creative, make something else. So for me, I'm going to start with making a few circles on here. And if you don't have any paintbrushes, like we just lost one of ours, use a towel, use Q-tips. Q-tips are brilliant for this actually. Also, I have a few markers. I have one permanent marker. So keep in mind, if you're going to use permanent markers, do it outside because it will stain carpet, it'll stain a wood floor or a wall. And from experience, it will happen. And then we also have the other markers. Now these are supposedly erasable, you know, it gets marked on the floor, but why not just go outside in the fresh air? So I'm going to start with blue and I'm going to use this. And what we can use these for is one, Mother's Day is roughly 2 weeks away. So you can make something together with your child, or maybe the grandparents could do it and then surprise the mom, or the dads can also do it and then surprise. So it'll be a lot of fun, or if not, do it as a family.
But if you want the fire one, that's do it together. That's do it with one of you.
Just with one of you. Okay, so we have a few different colors, so let me go ahead and show you these circles. So they're not perfect. I have a towel. So I just did these little circles. Okay.
And I'm just going to paint mine all blue and then do another color. No, this is not going to look like this. No, I cannot.
Okay, so let me try this marker. Let's see if this works. So maybe I'll draw a little heart in the middle. And let me try to get, actually this one's a little dry. So if it's not dry, these permanent markers work excellent. Okay, so let's try purple. What do you think? And also, you can put these in your flower pots. Okay, so see if you look, the marker works excellent. So if you don't have paint, don't go run to the store and buy paint. Just use whatever you have. Get creative. So let me look at another rock. So we got all different sizes. Wow, he picked a really big one. So these are really good for using the stencils. So we're going to set this under here to dry. And we're going to set mine under there to dry too. See, paint goes everywhere. Let's put that on the bottom. Okay, so another one, we also have the circle one. So you could even write a name on there. So maybe I'll try green.
Dip paint, but it's not made for dip paint. That's the problem.
So you can write your child's name, like I just wrote Stefan, and maybe I could have him paint the bottom. But also, something that's even cooler.
You made a smiley face now.
You made a smiley face now?
Now I'm just going to do the little blue.
You could even use this as a marker for your herbs. So, we're going to go ahead.
It wouldn't look like now.
And write dill, because we have dill that we have.
Look. These are, your permanent markers might be a little too hard, but if you use it on everything, like draw it on paintboard, that won't come off. Those are permanent. Can I have the red now?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay, so I'm just going to add just a few little dots here with this stencil, just to add a little bit more character to it. And all ages can do this, so just help. If you have a young baby, go ahead and just do it with them. It'll be fun. It'll be a little messy. So look here. Now it's a little sloppy, but I went ahead and I wrote dill. So what you can do, let's not mark paint on my pants, please.
This is what mine look like. Easy.
Okay, so basically, let's say this was filled with soil. You can put it in just like this, and look, it says dill. So you could even plant this for your mom, which is brilliant. Okay, so let's finish up
I made
maybe
a dark.
one more.
I made a dark color. Look.
You made a dark color. Wow.
I made purple, yo. We don't have purple. That's the problem.
And another option is just you could paint it first and then you could write something on it. So I'm going to go ahead and try
It
yellow.
was mine. I don't have purple, but I just made it up. Watercolor I used.
So a lot of colors.
Look down there. The grass is blue and white. That's
So
funny.
we have some green. So you could just paint it right on here. Let this dry, maybe give 10 minutes, and then go ahead and write your herb on there. Or write Happy Mother's Day. If you have a big rock like this one, and look at the smiley face. No, you can't wipe on here. Oh, you can definitely write on here.
I can put them like that.
Oh, good job. Okay, so let me go ahead and paint this one. And just pick up any rocks, go on a nature walk. It's a lot of fun. We even saw some frogs while we were down there. And a few spiders. Okay, so I'll go ahead and let this dry, and then I'm gonna go ahead, I think I'll write either a name or an herb on here. So please show us your pictures.
No, we're not done yet. We're still painting them with them.
And subscribe and like. And remember, use these for Mother's Day. Use them just for a fun craft at any age. Just at different ages, you need to help a little bit more.
Even more Grandpa Day and Dad Day.
Oh yeah, even for Father's Day, and if there's a Grandpa Day and a Grandmother Day. So use them for anything, and just even a fun craft to do at school, because a lot of you are learning from home right now.
A grandmother is also mom.
Yeah, so grandmother is also a mom, so you can use it for that. All right, well, show us your pictures, and please comment down below. Ring the bell so you get notifications. And
look at the water now.
now look at the water. Have a good day.